Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your wallet address on Hamster Kombat. So I will show you a few ways. So first one would be, as you can see, there is a Binance one at the top. So it's this one. And if you want to change this, you're going to click on the gear icon here. Once you clicked on your gear icon, you can see that there is choose exchange option. So you want to click on it. And now you want to change to a different exchange. So for example, I'm going to choose Bybit. And after that, as you can see, you have a new contract with Bybit now. If you want to change your wallet on airdrop, you want to go ahead and click airdrop. Now you're going to choose a withdrawal. And as you can see, my wallet, Ton wallet is now connected. But if I click on it, I can go ahead and disconnect it by clicking the X sign, and basically you will disconnect it, and you can go ahead again, connect a new wallet if you want to, and now you will have a new wallet address added. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.